Joe here with the RideShare Guy, and today we're going to be reviewing the Vantrue Element 2 dual camera dash cam. And be sure to stick around until the end because we will be doing a giveaway of 2 cameras. The Element 2 is a smart voice controlled front and rear dash cam with low light night vision and parking mode. And it comes with 2 cameras as separate units. One is a forward facing camera and the other is a rear view camera that connects to the forward facing camera via a USB-C cable. It comes with Wi-Fi Connect and app control, so you can connect your dash cam with the Vantrue app to adjust settings and also transfer files to your mobile device. Both cameras record 2K at 30 frames per second. It also comes with voice control, which allows you to execute hands-free commands. Included is a wireless hotkey. One button allows you to switch the audio on and off, and the other button allows you to capture emergency video. There also is an optional CPL filter, which reduces glare and reflections. It comes with super night vision and also an optional 24-hour parking mode, and that hardware kit is sold separately. It has GPS recording and tracking, loop recording, and a G sensor. In the box, you get the E2 forward-facing dash cam, the rear camera, the GPS adhesive mount, a 20-foot cable for the rear camera, and a car charger with a built-in 11.5-foot Type-C cable, a Type-C data cable, and the wireless remote control. And it is currently available on Amazon for $210. Overall, this is a solid dash cam, but as far as for rideshare drivers, I'm not sure it's the right choice. Rideshare drivers want to have that cabin view camera, and we don't need that rear view camera. Basically, what I did with the rear view camera was turned it upside down, mounted it on my dash, and then rotated the rear camera screen in the settings. This worked well, and the footage turned out fine, but probably not the ideal setup for a rideshare driver. As can be expected with the 2K forward-facing footage, it looks really good. Now, as far as the extras it includes, the voice commands, the wireless hotkey, the Wi-Fi so you can connect via the app. Those are great features, but ideally rideshare drivers just want that single unit dual camera dash cam. You just have to mount that one unit on your windshield and you're good to go. That optional CPL filter though, that could work really well for someone that drives in a very sunny climate like Arizona. But overall for rideshare drivers, I would still recommend the Vantrue N2 Pro, which is a single unit dual camera dash cam. And the Vantrue is $40 cheaper at $170 on Amazon. With the Vantrue cameras, you do have to purchase an SD card separately. It would be nice if Vantrue just included an SD card with these cameras. Now, as far as the giveaway, we will be giving away 2 units. One will be the unit that I reviewed, so that will be an open box. And the details on how you can win one of these will be on the Show Me the Money live show, which is coming soon. So don't miss out by making sure you're subscribed and ring the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, or subscribe and drive safe. Thanks.